Was that? Let's do that again. It's not deep enough yet.
Sound like a solid lick there.
Let's see if we can hold it up here better. Just try to do it better this time. Oh! Sorry about that. That did good. That made a good one. This one, we got to straighten this one up here. I'm going to lower this hand a little bit, so it's going to be a little. I got a bruise right I got to get. Let's try it one more time like that. So I'm trying to get that thing straight. You see it right there?
Hammer way down. Oh.
I'm lowering this one down where I can get to that bruise section right there.
Okay. 10, 4.
See that spot where it had it?
That's messed up if you ask me.
You're going to start over.
You tell him, you tell him when he's ready so you can swing on him. Get that hammer up and lower it like that. Man, that's